There is no doubt how technology has revolutionized the way people live today. Many things that were unthinkable in the past are now parts of reality. One of the things that proved difficult in the days gone by is the system of homeschools. Before, studying at home was a luxury that only the elite and wealthy could afford. Hiring private tutors were the only possible means of an education at home. But now, with a more standardized system of education, coupled with the many possibilities afforded by technology, learning from home is very possible. For many people, home education is the only option, especially for those who have physical disabilities, severe illnesses, or security issues. However, the option of studying at home is now extended to most anyone. Nevertheless, the decision to gain an education from homeschooling is a very difficult one to make, something that is to be taken seriously. The advantages of learning from regular schools, with regular classmates and teachers, are quite obvious. For some, such benefits aren't near as beneficial as the advantages of being homeschooled. Before delving into homeschooling, one should first carefully think if it is the appropriate move for one's situation. It is important to weigh all pros and cons of studying at home before making the final choice whether to pursue it or not. If the decision is to engage in homeschooling, it is then important to prepare oneself for this endeavor. First, the home where the education will take place should be carefully arranged and organized, in a way that would make it conducive for studying and learning. During learning hours, a homeschooled child can feel as close as possible as to how regular students would feel on a school campuses. This can be done by obtaining materials that are associated with schools, such as ID cards, school colors and emblems, and the like. You can even create your own mascot, colors, and decor to go along with your homeschool setup. It is then also important to set up a schedule that should be followed by the homeschooled student. It is usually beneficial to set the schedule in accordance to the schedule of public schools, this way the home student would be synchronized with his or her peers, but it is not mandatory. The record-keeping system should also be prepared, as this is very important in observing the student's progress. Part of the preparation for homeschooling is learning and understanding the laws that govern this type of education. Each state has their own detailed information for homeschools, and it is necessary to learn these details. It is also important to choose a good curriculum for the children to follow. Homeschooling is a unique educational experience. It can be difficult at times, but if prepared well, it can be a valuable mode of learning, which can be comparable to regular schooling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.